Hi, and welcome to the Bott Smartvan Club. This film runs through some quick tips to prepare you for receiving your new van racking. After watching this film, make sure to watch the next, receiving delivery of your van racking. Step 1. Estimate your fitting time. As a rough guide, we suggest you allow at least 1.5 hours for each module, plus an hour and a half if you have purchased a deck kit, and an hour if you will be fitting one of our floors. Step 2. Plan where you'll fit your van racking. If possible, this should be a dry, clean and safe place. Step 3. Make sure you have the tools you will need to get the job done. Depending upon your van type and the racking you've chosen, you may need some or all of the tools listed here. Step 4. Prep your van. Empty it out and give it a good clean. You could also use this opportunity to reorganise your tools ready for your new racking system. Step 5. If you're fitting one of our floors, remove any flooring already in place. You may also want to remove any ply boxing over the wheel arches so the racking can be fitted as close to the wheel arch as possible. You don't need to remove ply lining from the van walls. Step 6. Sit back, relax and watch our installation films to get all the hints and tips you'll need to make fitting your new van racking a stress-free process.